Good morning, guys. We are in another area of Bali today, and we're gonna explore in 3 different ways. Mommy, she's gonna walk. Cosimo and Emma, they gonna ride the bamboo bike. It's a cool experience. It's all made of bamboo. Look at that. Oh my gosh.
Except for the wheels.
It's solid bamboo.
Are you sure?
No, the wheels are made of bamboo too. And me and Luca, we're gonna go on the motorbike. Let's see if we're gonna end up in the same place. I don't know.
So this one is too tall.
Yeah.
Mom, Cosimo, you're not tall enough?
Woo! There's
Whoa.
bike lock in here.
Try.
And Emma is on her bike.
How am I supposed to?
And now we're gonna bamboo our way out.
Hey, Cos, can you pay attention to the road? It doesn't fit on.
Since we're all going separate, we all need a direction because we have no clue where we're going.
Has the road because this is the organization when we are 5 and everybody want to do different things. Because
Compromise.
I want to walk with mommy, but Luca doesn't want to walk, so we have to.
So mommy walks
You make
along,
Cosy drive Luca on the motorcycle.
which could be dangerous.
Go.
Okay, so are we gonna find these teens when we get there? Are we gonna find Daddy and Luca when I get there? Who knows? Are they gonna find me because I'm gonna stop and buy every stuff in every shop?
Wait for me, Cos.
Goodbye. This is a moment of independence for everybody. Is Luca driving?
Yeah, it's Luca driving.
Bye, Luca. Drive slowly.
Wait, but I'm not driving. Bye, Mom.
Bye.
Bye, mom.
Since I don't know if I'm gonna see them again today, we might end up just meeting again later. I'm just gonna take a last photo of them before we parted ways. Goodbye, guys.
Bye.
See you.
Cosy, maybe
I'm
I should
going.
go front. Yeah, but you're slow.
I'm not going this way.
No, we have to go this way.
It's a good start.
That's what mine says. Turn right.
Oh yeah, this is a good start. We didn't know the way.
Bye, Mom.
Bye, honey.
Probably gonna lose your son because he's going ahead of me and I have the map. Cos, you need to stay behind me. Well, you speed up then.
This is interesting. Oh, look, they're still here. I'm just gonna keep on going.
Mommy, do you want to ride with the bike for
Nope,
a little bit?
I'm okay. I'm walking.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Lukey.
Try it again.
Somebody has to enjoy the little streets of Sanur. So while they're pedaling their way to the beach, I am walking in these tiny streets and look at this guy. I love it. There's all the locals and you see all these little temples, all the offerings on the road. You can hear roosters, a completely different vibe from other parts of Bali where we've been to. And it's nice, just nice to be here. The beach is a little more calm compared to, let's say, Canggu or Seminyak where there's more waves. So it really depends what kind of vibe you're looking for when you are here. The temple, many houses that live in little temples. Hi. It's really hot right now in Bali. Technically, rainy season is starting now, but it's not raining yet. But the humidity and the heat has gone up so much since we got here. So maybe walking is not the best choice. Okay, now we're on the main road where you'll find there's a bunch of shops. This is more touristy now. There is also a Starbucks. It's crazy. I made it to the beach. Look at this. I think these are all fishermen. It's high tide today, so you can actually go in the water. Guys, look at this property. I don't know if it's like one villa or a hotel, but it's beautiful. And it's right in front of the beach. Guys, this is the sea. Look how cool. I can't seem to find them. I went all along the beach. Now I think I see them. They're clearly not where I thought they were going to be. It's not as straightforward as I thought. There they are. It's so hot, guys. I'm melting. Found them.
That's why we couldn't find you. We thought you were in a shop and you walked by the beach.
That's where it sent me.
Oh.
We came to find you, and we couldn't find you, and we were wondering that you were at the shop. They said maybe mommy went to the shop.
So we've been walking in this part of Sanur Beach, and there's one resort after the other. They all have these beautiful pools. They all offer you to go and eat there, but you can't swim. You can't use the pool, which is insane because it's so hot, and the beach is right here.
You know why you cannot use the pool? Because you have to live there.
Yes. So basically we can't seem to find a place because they won't let us use the pool. It's kind of disappointing. Okay, Luca managed to get something. Luca, show me your plane. Come here. He needed a kite.
This is not a kite.
It's really cute.
I want it.
Homemade. Yeah, he made it.
Gotta make it taller.
So in Bali, you can be 5 people riding on a scooter. Now we're going back, and I am not walking because I don't feel like it. It's gonna be me, Daddy, and Luca. Luca goes in the front. Okay, here we go. Mas is very serious. He's very focused on the road. He's not looking at me. Okay, we have to find Cosimo and Emma. Where are they?